I'm a blogger and I get packages in the mail. Let's open this one. I really need like a better intro. Like, we just got a package. We just got a package. Oh, these are natural patches. I know because it says it's from the Natural Patch Co. See, I feel like I've already shown these to you guys, but I can't remember if I showed them to you. And now all I can do is like see them. Natural patches, mosquito repellent stickers, sleep promoting stickers, but they're for kids, right? Yeah, sleep promoting sticker. Sleep. Oh, mood calming. I kind of need some of those myself. Oh, there's a stuffy patch. I've been having a stuffy nose. So it's just like a essential oil thing, basically. So they look like this. But then they basically just smell like essential oil shit. And then you just, stick them wherever you want, all over your body. I just want to get rid of my stuffy nose. This is working for me. They're working like really well right now. I'm actually kind of impressed. Like, that's pretty intense. Okay, yeah, these are great.